Hello, and welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore why some drums sound different from other drums, and how these different sounds relate to the music we make. Drums come in all shapes and sizes, and each drum has its own unique sound. The sound of a drum is influenced by many factors, like its size, its shape, and the materials it's made from. Typically, larger drums produce lower, deeper sounds, while smaller drums produce a higher or brighter sound. That's because larger drums allow more air to vibrate, creating those deep tones. The material of a drum also plays a big role. Wood, metal, and synthetic materials give each drum a unique sound. Wood typically offers a warmer tone, while metal is usually brighter and louder. The unique sound of a drum is greatly influenced by its drumhead, commonly known as the skin, which can be made from materials like animal hide or synthetic fibers. Tuning your drums can also affect the sound by altering the drum's pitch and tone. Tighter tunings typically result in a higher pitch. The sound of each drum is shaped by its size, the materials it's made from, the type of drum heads, the tuning, and even the type of sticks used. All these factors combine to give each drum its own unique sound. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.